Namaste. Motion of satellite. Motion of when a satellite revolves in a circular orbit around the Earth, a centripetal force acts upon the satellite. This is a gravitational force exerted by the Earth on satellite. M is equal to capital M is equal to mass of the Earth, H is equal to height of the satellite, M is equal to mass of the body, R is equal to orbital radius of the small r is equal to orbital radius of the satellite. That is, capital R is the radius of the Earth, okay, and small r is the orbital radius of the satellite. So we know required centripetal force equal to gravitational force of Earth and satellite. So mv square by r is equal to gmm divided by r square. rr will be cancelled, small m will be cancelled. So v square r is equal to gm divided by r, v is equal to square root of gm by r. Very clear? So time period t is equal to circumference of orbit divided by orbital velocity. Circumference of orbit 2 pi r divided by v square root of gm divided by r. This implies that t is equal to 2 pi square root of r by gm is equal to t is equal to this implies t is equal to 2 pi square root of r plus h, that is r plus h. R is near r is equal to r plus h, so r plus h divided r plus h whole cube divided by gm. Okay, clear? Then r plus h is nearly equal to r, so we put the value r. T is equal to 2 pi square root of r cube divided by gm. We know the mass of value, m is equal to v into any spherical object, v is equal to m is equal to 4 by 3, okay, 4 by 3 pi r cube into density, volume into density, volume into density. We put the value of g in. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We put the value of m in equation 2. So we have to write in the exam sheet, exam paper, equation. We have m, put the value of substituting the value of m in equation 2. 2 pi, okay, square root of r cube divided by g into 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho, r cube will be cancelled, then 2 pi 1 by g4 pi rho, okay, then this is t is equal to square root of 4 pi square into 3 divided by g into 4 pi into rho, okay, then 4 pi, then this will cancel. You can write this will cancel, only 3 into pi, 3 into 1 pi, Okay, 3 into pi divided by g into rho. Okay, then we taking the square of equation 2. Okay, squaring equation 2, what do we get? T square is equal to 2 pi r plus h. We can write this t is equal to 2 pi r plus h whole cube. I write first 2 pi r plus h whole cube divided by gm. Okay, then we taking t square. T square is equal to 2 pi square when we omit this, when we is taking square, so square root we will omit r cube divided by gm. This implies that t square gm is equal to 4 pi t square gm is equal to 4 pi square r plus h whole cube. Okay, r plus h whole cube. This implies that r plus h whole cube is equal to t square gm divided by 4 pi square. Clear? Then this implies that r plus h is equal to t square gm divided by 4 pi square whole to the power 1 by 3. Then h is equal to minus r. We take this sides minus r when I write this. This implies that this equation, we can calculate this equation. We get t square. T square is equal to 4 pi square t square gm is equal to 4 pi square r plus h whole cube. Clear? We write this. Okay, then h is equal to t square gm divided by 4 pi square whole cube whole 1 by 3 whole 1 by 3 minus h minus r. Clear? Okay, then we have to write in this way: m is equal to mass of earth, h is equal to height of satellite, r plus h is equal to r orbital radius of the satellite. We have to write this, and then we find the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. We get the value v. What we will get? Square root of gm divided by r. Put it square root of m into square root of gm divided by r whole square. So half into m into gm divided by r. Square root and square will be cancelled, so we get this. Okay, then gmm divided by 2r. Okay, potential energy, we know the potential energy formula: minus into that is minus, we can write gmm divided by r. Okay, then we get the total energy. We calculate the total energy. How we get calculate total energy? Kinetic energy plus potential energy. Kinetic energy is gmm divided by 2r minus plus minus gmm divided by r. So we get gmm, we take common gmm divided by 2r, or we can write gmm divided by r into half minus 1 is equal to 1 minus, that is minus gmm by 2r. Okay, that is half minus 1 minus half into gmm by r minus gmm by 2r. Similarly, we can calculate binding energy. What is binding energy? Binding energy to remove a satellite from the orbit. To require the amount of energy required to remove an satellite from the orbit is called binding energy. So binding energy is equal to the kinetic energy, gmm by 2r. Okay, gmm by 2r. In this way, we have to calculate binding energy. Kinetic energy, if we write gmm by r is equal to E, then what we will write? E by 2r, E by 2 minus E by 2 total. This is minus E by 2. Okay, kinetic energy and binding energy only positive, and other potential energy and total energy is negative. Okay, in this way we have to calculate time period, and we will discuss earlier orbital velocity and time period, and you have to write in this way. Thank you. Namaste.